came to DevSecCon for, I guess, well, two reasons. One, the ulterior motive. I always love London, so it's a great place to be. But also I love the idea of the DevSecOps and wanted to come here to hear about people that are actually practitioners.
It's very much a building conference. So people here want to fix problems. They're all about building new stuff, writing new code. How do I make this secure? And I think you can see that by just listening and watching people's interactions in the lobbies, in the hallways, outside of the talks. And I think that's quite an exciting thing. I think if we look at where we've come from, an industry of people trying to hack and break stuff, we're now in the design phase of the next generation of the Web 3.0. And I think it's about time we all stopped with the egos saying security works over there and developers work over there. I think we all need to start working together.
DevSecCon is different to a lot of conferences I've been to. I think one of the main reasons is it's not heavily vendor-led, which means that the information I'm getting, the things I'm learning, are things that are relevant to me in the business and are requirement-led rather than product-led. The threat modelling workshop led by Stephen yesterday on the first day was really good. We looked at Scrum, Kanban, and how to integrate threat modelling into the different stages.
But I've really been having a good time engaging with people here. It's a great mix of different communities, obviously DevSecOps, in a way that I don't see very often. Hearing people say on stage, I'm exploring this, I'm experimenting with that, not sure how it's all going to come together, but collaborating and finding new ways to do things, very exciting to me to be a part of.
It's not overpowered by vendors and politics. It's really a community where you have real workshops, you have talks, and you get to meet people if you want to. It's just fun and it's bubbling with ideas, so it's a good place to be.
I think my favourite talk was done by Javier. That was moving kind of security to the left, but then going beyond. And I think his view was very much around producing a security wrap for the whole of the kind of lifecycle model, Agile and DevSecOps. It was a really interesting talk. I think it's quite related to what I do on a day-to-day basis.
I hope that more women will be inspired by my talk to not only become speakers, but also to join the security and operations field because here there are not only guys in hoodies. I plan to come back next year and also to convince my colleagues to not only attend but also to submit talks.